excited about that talking dog on Britain's Got Talent. Amanda Holden's been on it for years.
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
Oh yeah, my boy Tom is flying.
Dare you to move, I dare you to move, I dare you
Wait for my signal. Take him out.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
You guys say Colorado.
Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip. With a friend? No way!
George, I am so telling Mom, stop that! Stop that right now! I am telling Mom, that is my fish tank, George! Get out of, you're not a fish, get out of my fish tank!
There's only one race. The human race. What about NASCAR?
If you see Swiper and stay...
The inner machinations of my mind are an enigma.
Pollo. Pollo. Cocodrilo.
Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal! Ding 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 ding! SFPD!
gon'
Give it to me, I'm I didn't get no sleep cause of y'all. Y'all not gonna get a sleep cause of me.
Hey, little friend. That was terrifying.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo. Hello.
Perhaps it is the context in which words are spoken that give them the power or meaning. I love you, dog!
So I am confusion. Why is this one Kansas, but this one is not Arkansas? America, explain! Explain! What do you mean in Arkansas?
Later, Mom. What's up? Me and my boys going to see Uncle Cracker. Give him that back, Jordan. Do you want to go see Uncle Cracker now?
You are my dad. You're my dad. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Around the city in a shopping cart.
Bring the beat in.
Anything for you, Beyonce.
Introducing Hungry Jack's Minis. Tasty little burgers that are so cute, they come in pairs. There's cheeseburger minis and rodeo minis. And right now, you can get a mini plus small fries and a small Coke for just $4.95. Hungry Jack's makes it better.
You're a very special little girl.
Blueberry. You forgot blueberries. I said blueberries. Blueberries.
So you guys coming to my party? Who? You guys. It's just me. Oh, what up? You going?
Ay, mi amor, you make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco, the way you keep me. Dance, dance to your dad, 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 dance to your dad, 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 dance, dance to your dad, 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 dance to your dad, 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 dad.
From the earth I rise, and to the earth I one day will return. I'm here today to introduce you to corn. Corn is a North American cereal plant that yields large kernels on a cob. It is also called maize because it's easy to get lost in its incredible flavor. Side effects of corn may include choking, I guess. Come down today and try some corn, or we will sacrifice your newborn.
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas. No.
Stop saying I look like Chicken Little. He's dumb and he's a coward, and I'm not a coward.
Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
I am beautiful.
Caterpillar rave.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
Hello. It's me.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Kevin, don't, Kevin, watch the light, dude.
Yeah, I think we
we made too much potato salad, Norm. I guess we'll have to give everyone a 2-ton take-home container. And I still think you should have added more green onions.
Well, next time you can do all the cooking, and I'll stand around coming up with evil plans that ultimately fail.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
And it's enough cardio for me. I'm literally hot.
Could be next. My skin. I nurture my skin.